rough landing live one. We've got the rough landing live. Oh, so this is on the ground at Coffs Harbour. Just after 4 o'clock. It's the main control tower there at Coffs Harbour coming into view now. And the terminal. Flaps are down. Standing on the brakes.
Welcome to Coffs Harbour. Qantas Link would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the local lands and waterways on which we live, work and fly. Pay our respects to elders past, present and emerging. Seatbelt sign is still on, so please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. It's not permissible to retrieve any items or luggage from the rear of the aircraft.
Funny, I didn't know Coffs Harbour was owned by the Aboriginal people.
Please remain at the foot of the aircraft stairs or ramp to collect those bags. Take care when opening overhead lockers with your bags so that moved during the flight and before you leave. Remember to check your seat and seat pocket for any personal items. As you exit the aircraft today, be mindful of your head on the lower entry doorway, and as always, we recommend use the handrail to assist you safely onto the tarmac. Smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted while disembarking and around the terminal. This is mobile phone is within reach, and now please flight mode off. However, please ensure electronic devices are not in use while crossing the tarmac. On behalf of Qantas and the team today, welcome to Coffs Harbour. Thank you for flying with us. Hope you've enjoyed the flight. Look forward to seeing you again soon.
They're waiting there with the next load of luggage. And we'll see what they say. The control tower there. Hit the like button. Tell us if your aircraft company is awoke and who owns Australia.